Oh my god, oh my god. We're in a blizzard, man. In a blizzard, you need to watch your head for any flying objects, such as, oh my god, shovels. Shovels are coming at me. Oh my god, what is that? Oh god. You need to watch for flying objects. They could be big, they could be little, or they could be as medium as my hands right here. And they can come at your head, they can come at your feet, they can come at your belly. Watch out, you'll get a concussion. Oh my god! Just like that, bro.
Blizzards can be very dangerous and just blow you away at any given moment. Such as if I was standing right here and a blizzard just came out of nowhere, I would just jump off my feet.
During a blizzard, you want to have proper clothing, such as, you see this right here, I would freeze to death and die. That's not how life works. So therefore, I got my handy dandy rain jacket, which I would freeze to death and die in too. But in this case, since I'm shivering cold, works for now.
I just smack this leaf and then
boom!
it's a blizzard!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh! It's a blizzard! Frostbite turns your hair. Oh my god!
When you're driving in a blizzard, you always want to be sure you see all of your surroundings. All of your surroundings. Oh my gosh, there's a mailbox. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, look at this tree! Look at this tree! It fell down! Look at the tree, get the tree! Get the tree, okay. This blizzard's a sure thing right here. I can't see. I gotta wipe. Oh, hands on the wheel! Oh, my seatbelt! My seatbelt! Oh my god, oh my god, oh, we're swerving. Okay, okay. Oh, it's a squirrel. I'm just kidding. Okay, you see, driving in a blizzard can be very dangerous, as I just showed you. So therefore, since the blizzard continues on, I'm gonna pull down here and explain to y'all some sudden facts. Get the wheel. See, blizzards freeze your wheels. Well, your steering wheel, at least. Blizzards can mess with your sinuses too. Okay, I see. You see all this white stuff on this pole with the black thing? That was a mailbox. I know you can't tell now because of all the snow, but it was a mailbox at one point in time. You see, let's admire it. Hold on. See, one thing you never want to do is roll your window down in a blizzard. But I just gotta admire this pretty mailbox with snow. They're just gonna look, let me explain it to you. Okay, so you got your boat and you got your blizzard, and then it's gonna come down and your boat's gonna go whoo and just float right down when it all melts. Because when a blizzard melts, it's not pretty. It's like a swim pool.
After showing you my driving experience in a blizzard, remember, when you're driving, don't drive unless necessary. Stay indoors, please. Remember, bring your pets inside. Long live the dogs, and always stay indoors where it's nice and cozy. And that completes my blizzard facts.
I live in Biloxi, Mississippi. We don't have blizzards.